New home, new address, but have you updated the insurance yet? It matters more than people think. For a home, we look at rebuild cost, what's covered, and your deductible. On the auto side, they look at your postal code, they look at if you have a winter tires, and if they'll give you discounts if you're bundling up with the home and auto together. I also suggest taking a quick photo and a video of room by room so you know what items are in there in case of a claim if something happens. If you want a smart question checklist to ask your broker, give me a call or text and I'll be happy to share it with you.